Guys, I just wanna share with you what I've got today. So there's a Yes card, Nature Republic PC and BWCW that I haven't gotten yet. So I've got Luhan, Yes card, Lay, another Lay, Nature Republic Yes card, Sehun, another Sehun, Nature Republic version 1, BWCW, Luhan. I actually ordered Tao's Growl Yes card, number 101. But the seller gave me a Sehun, so I'm just going to buy this, then buy the Tao again. That's alright, I don't need them to pay the shipping fee. Another Luhan's version 1 PC. Actually, he gave me the PCs without the top loaders, so I have to buy top loaders for it. And yes cards are actually bigger than the normal cards, so it won't fit on the common top loaders. Well, thank you for watching, guys. If you have any questions, just comment down and I will reply it as soon as possible. So bye. Thank you.